This is the Virgo full moon astrological reading for the 26th to the 27th of February and the following 2-week period in 2021. The Virgo full moon on February 26th to the 27th themes are go with the flow, connecting with spirit, living a simpler, purer and more grounded lifestyle, and becoming eco-friendly while maintaining a down-to-earth attitude. So the Virgo energies help you to become more grounded in reality, to integrate overdue changes into your life. They assist you to pay attention to details, follow structured routines in your life, and shift your systems and thinking to live your highest potential. So Virgo is ruled by Mercury, so it's a good time to practice mindfulness, daily affirmations and mantras to start off your day on a positive note. And with the Virgo energies, you should treat your body as a temple and take practical steps to declutter your nutritional regime, toxic relations, and mental chatter. With Virgo energies, there's a focus on refining one's goals, on rebirth, on renewal of life, of your health, and resetting of the mind. So now is the ideal time to clear out the clutter in your life, the clutter in your emotions, the toxic substances you place into your body, your lower emotions such as greed, anger, jealousy, envy and laziness. Also a good time to clean and declutter your home and remove everything that no longer serves your higher purpose in life. So Virgo helps one focus on paring back to essential needs and to live a simpler life. So during this Virgo full moon period and the following 2-week period, it's a great time to clean one home, spring clean the body and car and office and workspace. So cleaning, decluttering on every level. It's also an ideal time to give away everything that no longer serves you or that is no longer essential to your work tools or that no longer sparks joy. So with a focus on spring cleaning and decluttering, this will help you tap into the Virgo energies of organisation and attention to detail to move forward to help you to achieve your life goals. So Virgo energies influence one's internal organs, including the eyes and the ears, the excretive system and the digestive systems. Pay attention to these bodily systems and practice good energy and personal hygiene during this period. Now is also a great time to connect to spirit through intuition and meditation and follow your inner guidance to assist you to renew and improve your health and your overall life in general. Virgo energies heavily influence community service, so practice benevolent acts of kindness during this time. It's also wise to live life in the moment and be open to unexpected possibilities. The Virgo full moon enhances relationships. It's a time for potential romance, fertilization of projects and ideas that were germinated in the preceding new moon phases. This Virgo period emphasizes balances between career, work, academic studies and community service, with a focus on duality and practicing harmony through balance of the opposites. So with the full moon in Virgo and the sun in Pisces that opposes the moon in Virgo, the following weeks you'll need to find balance between order, health and spirituality, with a focus on Virgo and finding balance with dreamy and emotive Pisces, which emphasizes creativity, spiritual connection, limitless possibilities and creativity. This full moon also harmonizes Uranus, so changes and forward-moving progress are indicated at this time. This is a full moon reading for Virgo for the 26th to the 27th of February 2021. And we're looking at the Divine Feminine. Rabbit Spirit. Now is a lucky time. 13, which is a 4, which brings stability. So the message from Rabbit Spirit is that the sunny meadow calls, and this will lead you out of your darkened warren and into the light so you can participate in a beautiful and fertile experience. Although it appears safe below, magic happens when you come out and take the risk of being vulnerable and co-creating something new. You're being invited into a life that you have no experience with but have no fear. Today is a time to be fruitful and productive and enjoy Rabbit Spirit's sunny and prolific energy. At this time, whatever you intend to bring into life will find fertile ground, so there are no mistakes really when you are co-creating with Spirit, so let new ideas spring to the surface, knowing that now is a lucky time of tremendous possibilities. Divine Masculine for the 26th, 27th of February 2021 and the following weeks. Sea Turtle, 8, bringing stability into play. Sea Turtle brings in an infinity sign and stability and success. By operating from a stable base is advantageous. If you need help and guidance, ask for it. You're loved and supported. Delve deeply into the study of something rather than just skimming the surface. Do not push hard for what you want all the time. Instead, just set the intention and direction and steadily flow towards this. Not every journey needs to be a difficult one full of drama. The magic of Sea Turtle is that it flows to us with stability and resilience. And when you want something to come into fruition, you don't have to push very hard for it, as you have perhaps done in the past, as it will come in easily and with surety. Sea turtles can travel long distances, yet they follow the currents and hitch a ride. You too can do this energetically and refuse to be pressured. Sometimes you need to accept someone else's more stable helping hand so you can rest a little, a healthy part of the lesson that the sea turtles bring. The nature spirit energy for 26th to the 27th of February 2021 is Spirit of Water. The message from Spirit of Water is to trust your intuition, know that you're on the right path, take time to nurture yourself, allow your inner child to be free, and believe in your dreams. Don't stifle your emotions, trust the messages that they're giving you, purify and cleanse yourself with water and in your home too. Healing is on its way, emotional healing energy is expanding with you. The Spirit of Water invites emotional richness into your life and communicate from your heart. Embrace your childlike wonder and purify and cleanse and heal your body, physically, mentally and emotionally. It also reminds you to clean your physical space and your body. It urges you to accept and embrace your emotions, all of them, even the ones you don't usually like. Additionally, it guides you to trust your intuition and push off from the shore of safety and into the flow of life. All is well. The message from the Tree Spirit Angels for the 26th to 27th of February and the following 2-week period is you, 13 breaking down to 4, bringing stability, double 4 on the ground. Double 4 and double 8, success and stability. The oldest of the Norns' destinies loom, and the you lives at the source, the firstborn root of the tree of eternity. It is from here that the rainbow that holds the world together rises, and it is here that the true treasure of all legends lies, wisdom, eternal youth, and the secret riches of eternity itself. Not the endless past, not the future, but the eternal present. The angel of you is so deeply rooted in timelessness that the yew tree can easily outlive even the oldest linden. As long ago in the Stone Age era, the yew was a symbol of eternity and the dance of changing forms in nature and power and self-rejuvenation. The yew is the great goddess's womb from which all life springs forth, to which all life returns after death to be born again. Since the yew leads the soul through the dance of forms, it has long been planted and summoned in graveyards. The gift of you, this archetypal mother, is transformation. Be ready to renew yourself in this world or the next and transcend your present boundaries. What is that really matters is the face of death. Even death loses its thorns in the all-consuming light of love. Only true change motivated by love matters. On which side of death's doorway does this place is secondary to love itself. This is a course of celebration where you're all safe and secure with the ever-changing dance of love. So this is the message from you, Tree Spirit. The songs for the Virgo full moon period and the following shadow period are Broken Wings by Mr. This references the interplay between Virgo and Chiron's wounded healing energies and enhanced relationship potentials. It's an ideal time to practice the inner shadow work, heal childhood wounds, and learn to live again and achieve one's full potential in the highest timeline possible. Faith by George Michael. The words and energy of this song embodies much needed hope and optimism that the world is seeking today. The strong references to remedying and repairing relationships are noted. And Penny Lane by Beatles, which references a famous bus and train terminal in London, which sees people move in different directions in life on their journeys. So this is popular area, Penny Lane, with alternative and natural health tribes in current day. And this is relevant today as it throws back past cultural references which influence the march of modern tribes as they transit into alternative therapies, natural health foods, and alternative lifestyles, bohemian lifestyles, here in the New Earth period. So thank you for liking, thank you for sharing our content, and thank you for listening to this Earth Goodwill astrological reading for the Virgo full moon period in 2021. Namaste.